Introducing the 2022 Hyundai Kona. Infuse every drive with a fresh sense of fun in this spirited and tech-savvy Kona. You'll love its easy-to-use infotainment system, comfortable cabin, and versatile crossover capabilities, as well as the confidence that comes standard thanks to its suite of advanced safety features. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: fog lamps, lane keeping assist, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, rear spoiler, traction control, daytime running lights, cruise control, power windows, power door locks. Feel the freedom to have fun when you're behind the wheel of this spirited Kona. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.